My name is Ryan Deere. I work here at Tartan High School. This is my third year at Tartan and my third year as a classroom teacher. I teach English 10, college composition, and creative writing.
My name is Jamie Maiers, and this is my second year at Tartan High School. I am also an English teacher. This year teaching mostly English 11. When I was hired here at Tartan High School, they were in need of a debate coach, and at my previous school I was student council advisor and had been very involved in my school community, and I wanted to continue that. And they put me in touch with the partnership through Augsburg University and Minnesota Urban Debate League. It's an honor to be recognized for the work that we have done. We do it because the kids need it, and it is a privilege to be honored. It's just a situation of, like, as you said, shock, like, wait a minute, I would do this no matter what.
Yeah, very extremely honored and so appreciative of the recognition. Of course, it feels wonderful. I heard they needed a second debate coach, and I knew I'd be working with Jamie, and I really admire Jamie as an educator. I was excited to be able to work with her and learn from her and try it out.
And I was excited to have Ryan, because Ryan, I'm very chaotic, and Ryan is calming and able to keep things organized.
I'm like, let's make a list.
And I'm like, what's a list? And so it was a really great partnership this season, because debate in general is really kind of complicated, and it's a lot. Kids are learning sometimes 3 languages at the same time. We have most of our students are English language learners or multi-language learners on our team, so they're learning about that. They're learning about law and culture and science and all sorts of different ideas with that, and then they have to understand the language of debate, which is a completely different thing. So it's been just such an honor and a privilege to work with that partnership.
Yeah, and I think Jamie, in terms of, I think our partnership, in addition to that, Jamie brought this wealth of experience of having been in debate previously last year and been a rock star by herself. So I think in addition to our personality styles complement each other, also I think our levels of experience and kind of our perspectives, we were able to fill in the gaps for kids, both experienced and more novice kids. By far the most rewarding part of my job is building relationships with kids, laughing with them, seeing them learn something new, having them come back. I just had a kid email me today. I've decided to go to St. Kate's this fall, and thanks for nominating me for this excellence award. Just love hearing back from them. I pen pal with a couple kids, so definitely building those relationships. And I think specifically in debate, I think my favorite, the most rewarding part was hearing kids after debate, debriefing their debate with them, whether they won or lost, because every single time, and Jamie would always say, you learn more from a loss than you do from a win. And you could see it, and kids still had a fire in them, to take something that they learned. And so whether it was from a learning moment from a win or a loss, it was awesome to have that conversation with them after the debate, because they're fired up either way. And so I loved seeing that.
What we ask our kids to do in debate is so hard, and yet they are tremendous scholars. They have concepts and ideas that blow my mind on a daily basis, and they're given the opportunity to have a safe place to really develop some of those things.
A lot of our kids found themselves and found a place where they belong, found their community in debate, and any time that we can foster a space where a kid can feel like that, feel like themselves, and feel like they can be celebrated, I think that's the most important thing that we can be doing as educators.
There is a place for everyone in debate. You don't have to be the loudest person. You don't have to be the one with the most polished stage presence. That will come with practice. But you have a place here, and you can be who you are authentically. What I have been able to really see kids do just fills me with such great joy and pride. And they just make me so proud to be in their presence. It is a privilege to be around these young people. On a hard day when things just feel really just, and the apathy, you see what's happening in these debates and with these moments with these thinkers, and you're like, we will get through it, Mm-hmm. And so the best part of coming to Tartan for me has been working in debate. It's just been so remarkable.
She's the rock of this team, and she will minimize her role again and again, but I can't say enough of how much she really lifts up this team and lifts up these kids, and it's been wonderful to work alongside her.
And it's been a privilege to work with you, so thank you.